perfect, easy peel steamed eggs. You'll never boil again. This is the only way to do it. Perfect, easy peel steamed eggs. It's the only way to do a hard-boiled egg. Don't do it in water, steam. You have to trust me on this one. I've been keto now for 2.5 years, and I've spent quite some time working on how to make the perfect hard egg. And it's not boiling, and it's not in the oven, it's not microwave or anything like that. It's steamed. I'm going to show you a really easy way, and it's the way that an egg should taste. You've got a really creamy yolk in the center, and the white is not rubbery. So we're going to use a steamer like this. Now, if you don't have a steamer, you can buy these at Walmart. It's just like a little steamer basket, and in a pinch you could use a strainer like this and put your eggs in and put this on. We're going to start with some water in the bottom of the steamer and just put the lid on. We're not going to put the eggs in yet. I'm going to do 5 eggs, so we're just going to lay them in the steamer basket like this. This won't take long to come to a boil. Not yet. Okay, the water's up to a boil. I'm going to put the eggs in, put the lid on, and you want to make sure that you have enough water in the bottom. You don't want to run out of steam or water. So I put in probably, I don't know, maybe 1.5 cups, 2 cups. And now we're going to set our timer for exactly 13 minutes. 13 minutes is perfect for a hard-boiled egg. And you can use that for, this morning I'm going to make sodium citrate cheese sauce. That's going to go on top. You could also, 13 minutes is going to give you an egg that's perfect for a deviled egg. The secret to deviled eggs, by the way, is just mayo and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. We don't need to rotate that at all. If you want a softer yolk in the center, a more creamy, softer yolk, you could go maybe down to 12 minutes or 11. You have to kind of experiment with it, but 13 is what I like. 2, 1. Okay, so the eggs are cooked perfectly. Now for the easy peel part. I'm going to take this off, just set it on the ice there. I'll take this bowl. I'm just going to pour the hot water into the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to take the pot that we started out with, and I'm going to put the eggs in. Just dump them in. I've got some ice. We're going to put ice right on top of this. This is the easy peel part. I'm going to cover it with water. And what this is going to do is it's going to cool down the eggs really, really fast. And it's going to pull the membrane away from the shell. And we'll let that sit for just a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to start my sodium citrate cheese sauce. And sodium citrate, I just keep it in a jar like this. And I've written a recipe for this, but basically I've got some water in there, and I've got a teaspoon of the sodium citrate, and I've got some shredded, I'm going with an extra old orange cheddar today. We'll just bring this up to a boil and then we'll put this in. Okay, that's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to put the shredded cheese in. This is going to turn into a really nice, silky smooth cheese sauce. We'll just reduce that down. Now for the easy peel part. So what I do is just kind of, you can hit it on the side, and you just want to peel it in the water and watch how this just comes right off, and just rinse it in the water. Perfect egg. All in one piece. Just perfect. My cheese sauce looks really good. This method is just foolproof. There, I steamed 5 eggs. Let's see what they look like on the inside. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. some of this just to see how it tastes. There you go. Perfectly cooked steamed eggs. Easy peel. Thanks for watching.